Hi everyone, I have created this amazing project completely free, and guess what? No coding expertise requires. You just need a basic understand of code and you will be able to build a completely free, fully customized powerful chatbot just like the one I am showing you. Let's get started. So step 1 is that go to the Google and in the search bar type OpenRouter. Click on the first link that appears. Once it's open, you will see simple interface on the top right corner. Click on the sign in option and sign up with Google or your email. After signing up, head over the left side search bar and type DeepSeek R1P. So scroll down a little and once you find it, just click on it. See their playground and you'll see example of code in Python, TypeScript and stuff. Click the create API key button. Then you will see this interface and just create API key and give it any name you want. I'll call it like chat. So you do anything you prefer. After it's created, you will get your API key. Copy it and save it somewhere else. Save, we'll need it later. So now in the next setup, go to the Claudio.io or visit a site where you can easily generate a chatbot UI. Here I have already made a ready-made template for you. The link will be in the description. Just copy the provide code and paste into the VS Code or Claudio. I have created the ready-made prompt for that. So prompts are available in description. So you just copy that prompt and paste to the Claudio. So Claude give us an amazing structure way. Here's all of code the Claudio give us amazing and a clear way. After that, the preview will be enabled when code is ended. Check it out, looking amazing and clear. Now let's run it locally. You can use VS Code or any code editor of your choice. Inside VS Code, create a file, for example, bot.html. Paste. So goes to the Claudio.ai and copy entire the code and paste the full chatbot code into this file. Now look for the part in the code where it says your API key. So replace that with the API key you saved earlier from OpenRouter. Now you can easily find this section by searching in the code for your API key or interface API. So paste your actual key there. Once done, open your project in a local browser like localhost. You will see your chatbot running live. If something doesn't look right, don't worry. Use the inspect tool in your browser, make quick adjustment and go back to your code and fix style. Once done, refresh the page. Boom! Your fully customized chatbot is now ready and working. This chatbot is powered by a trained model designed to act as an inspired bot CEO, responding to users like a real business mentor in an inspiring and motivational tone. You can send it any kind of message and it will give you powerful response in a super engaging style. So that's it. You now have a smart stylish AI chatbot running for free with your own design and your own voice. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. So thanks for watching.